Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Recently I created vegan creamy pasta on my husband's birthday and it was a super hit. So I thought I'll make this video for you guys how exactly I created it.
So in this recipe I have not used refined flour. It's made using all healthy ingredients. And I'm sure even you are going to love this recipe when you make it. So now let's get started. All you need is some fresh vegetables. I have taken carrot, beans, and I have taken some red pepper. This will need to create pasta base. And I have taken cold pressed sunflower oil, some mixed herbs, pepper, oregano, and I have soaked some cashews. So I've soaked 10 to 12 cashews. I will be, mixing both and creating pasta base. This can be had by like 3 to 4 people. First, let's boil our pasta. I'm adding some water. I'm adding a little bit of salt. Let me add 2 to 3 drops of oil so that the pasta doesn't stick together. Now let me add pasta. So you'll have to cook the pasta till it becomes soft like this. Now let's saute the red peppers.
I'm using cold pressed sunflower oil here. Always use cold pressed oils to get maximum nutrition, but for your deep fried dishes you can use refined oils. Now let's saute red bell pepper and create our pasta base. If you are acidic, then I would recommend to remove the seeds as well as the skin of the bell pepper. One more tip for you guys. Even the seeds of the tomatoes are very hard to digest and causes acidity. So it's better to remove the seeds of the tomatoes whenever you are using tomatoes in your cooking.
Then I'm going to add this with the cashew nut and make a thick paste. This will be our pasta base. So this is a very filling dish. You can have it in the afternoon. If you want to have it in the night, then you can add more vegetables compared to the pasta and have it in the night so that the digestion will be easier. So I love eating more veggies, so I always add a lot of veggies and a very little pasta.
Now let's allow bell peppers to cool down. Once it completely comes back to room temperature, take a grinder and grind it into a fine paste. Till the bell peppers cools down, let's saute our vegetables for the pasta. Here I am using carrots, beans. I'm using cold pressed oil to saute them. Before sauteing them, I'm putting some oregano, mixed herbs, grinding some pepper, now adding the vegetables and sauteing it.
I'm adding beans. So I'm adding beans first because beans will take a lot of time to cook compared to carrots. Now let me close the lid and allow it to cook for some time. And then I'll be adding carrot. Now once the beef is half cooked, let's add carrots. You can also use mushrooms instead of carrots. Even that will give a very good taste. I'm adding a little bit of salt. Closing the lid. Now the pepper is completely cooled down. I'm also adding 4 to 5 peppercorns.
I've already made paste of cashews which I soaked it a few hours back.
So now making the pasta base.
Now I'm going to mix the cashew paste with the paste of the bell pepper, and this is our pasta base.
So this is how the pasta base looks. So this looks so rich, creamy, and delicious. Now let me add the sauce to the veggies. So once it comes to this consistency, you can see it's getting thicker and thicker. So you can add your pastas. Let me just give it a nice mix. Almost done. Now allow it to boil for just 1 or 2 minutes. It's done. Smells very good. Just taste this. Before having your meal, always start with a gratitude prayer. Gratitude to all the people who have facilitated this meal. Gratitude to the Mother Earth for giving the space for growing this food. Gratitude to the farmer for growing this food, and gratitude to all those people for making this food come to my plate. Now let me just taste it. It tastes so good. So guys, please do try it out and let me know how it came out. And if you're new to my channel, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more such videos for you guys. Sending you all loads of health, wealth and happiness. Bye-bye.